Good afternoon, class. Today we're going to do a small follow-up on our Christmas cookie recipe that we did last week. We're going to do fire and knife safety in the kitchen before we start actually cooking in the kitchen. I have made a small Quizlet for you guys to get on and go over the fire and knife safety rules. All you have to do is go to the Quizlet homepage, go up here to search fire and knife safety, and it should bring up the first one should be the one you need to click on by Storm_Glasseter, and it'll bring up all the different ways you can study with it. I would like you guys to use the match option to do the matching game with it. And all this one is, you'll match a definition with either fire safety or knife safety, or better yet, a fire and knife rule and match it with the fire or knife safety. This is the game. Let me move these guys down so you can see them. All you have to do, you read one and you match it either with the fire or knife safety. First one is do not lick food from knives. So you click which one you think. Clearly that's a knife safety. You drag it up there to it, it'll go away. Next one says do not leave cooking food unattended. Is that a fire or knife safety? Whichever one you think, drag it up, disappear. This one's keep metal out of microwaves. And if you choose the wrong one, it'll turn red and go back, so you have more than one chance to fix it. I just want you guys to study this, do this a couple times, trying to beat your previous times on it. And then when we get back to class, we will take an assessment over the fire and knife safety, and then we will start cooking in a real kitchen. Thank you.